My dear child, I see you. I see your family. I see every tear shed in silence, every word spoken in anger, and every division that has caused pain. I know the struggles you face, the misunderstandings that linger, and the unspoken words that weigh on your heart. But today, I want you to listen carefully. I am speaking directly to you, to your family, and to the generations that will come after you. Your family is not just an accident. It is a divine design, a sacred bond one have created. Before you were born, before your family even existed, I already had a plan. A plan to unite, to bless, and to strengthen. But the enemy seeks to divide, to create tension, and to destroy what I have built. That is why today, I am calling you back to me. I am calling your family back to my love, my peace, and my blessings. I know the brokenness you feel within your family. Some of you carry wounds from the past, wounds that have been left unattended for too long. Some of you are holding on to bitterness, resentment, and pain that have built walls between you and the ones I have given you. But, my child, I am the God of healing. There is no division I cannot mend. There is no heart too hardened that I cannot soften. There is no family too broken that I cannot restore. Do not think for a moment that the love that once existed between you and your family is gone forever. I can restore what has been lost. I can bring peace where there has been conflict. I can mend relationships that seem beyond repair. You must first bring your family before me. You must pray, you must forgive, and you must trust that I am working behind the scenes. Your prayers have not gone unheard. Every time you have cried out to me for your family, I have listened. Even when it seems like nothing is changing, I am moving in ways you cannot yet see. The enemy knows that a divided house will crumble. That is why he attacks families so fiercely, because he fears the power of unity. He knows that when a family is united in love, in faith, and in prayer, they become an unstoppable force. The love within a family is meant to be a reflection of my love, the love that never fails. The world teaches you to walk away when things become difficult. It tells you to give up on people who have hurt you. But I say to you, love one another as I have loved you. Love is not just for the easy moments, it is for the difficult ones, the moments where you must choose forgiveness over anger, patience over frustration, and faith over fear. Do not allow pride to keep you from reconciliation. Do not allow the wounds of yesterday to rob you of the joy I have prepared for your family today. The enemy wants you to believe that healing is impossible, that relationships are beyond repair, but I tell you, nothing is impossible for me. You may have felt as if your family has been under attack, as if trials and struggles have become too much to bear. But listen, I am sending my blessings upon your household. I am opening doors of provision, of peace, and of joy that no one can shut. Where there has been lack, I will bring abundance. Where there has been tension, I will bring harmony. Where there has been fear, I will bring faith. But you must trust me. You must walk in obedience. You cannot allow distractions to take your focus away from what truly matters. Do not let the world's noise drown out my voice. Your home must be built on the foundation of my word. When you seek me together as a family, you will experience my presence like never before. Pray together. Worship together. Read my word together. Make me the center of your home. and I will make your home a place of peace, joy, and divine favor. Some of you are still carrying pain from the past, words spoken in anger, mistakes that have caused deep wounds, and moments that you wish you could erase. But, my child, do not let the past define your future. If you keep looking back, you will never move forward. I have new things in store for your family. New beginnings, new hope, new joy. But you must be willing to let go. You must be willing to forgive. You must be willing to trust that I can make all things new. Do not hold on to resentment. Do not allow the weight of yesterday to burden you today. Lay it all before me, and I will give you rest. Forgive, not because they deserve it, but because I have forgiven you. Love, not because it is easy, but because I have called you to love as I love. I have made a promise to bless those who seek me. When you seek me first, all things will be added to you. My child, I am calling you and your family into a season of divine favor. I am releasing breakthroughs, healing, and supernatural blessings. But you must be willing to walk in obedience. Trust me with your family. Trust me with your children, your spouse, your parents, and your loved ones. I am their God just as I am yours. Do not fear for their future, for I hold them in my hands. Even when things seem difficult, I am working all things together for your good. Even when there is distance, I am drawing hearts back together. Even when it seems like nothing is changing, I am moving in ways you cannot yet see. Do not take your loved ones for granted. Do not wait until it is too late to tell them you love them. Cherish the moments you have. Speak life into your home, not words of destruction. Build each other up, encourage one another, and be a source of strength for each other. Your family is a gift, a sacred blessing that I have entrusted to you. Guard it, nurture it, and protect it. Do not allow division to take root. Do not allow small disagreements to become permanent separations. Fight for your family. Stand together in faith and watch as I do what only I can do. My child, you are not alone in this. I am walking with you every step of the way. When you feel weak, I am your strength. When you feel lost, I am your guide. When you feel like giving up, I am your hope. Turn to me. Seek me first. Bring your family before me in prayer and watch as I restore, heal, and bless you in ways beyond your imagination. I love you. I love your family. And I am working even now to bring unity, peace, and overflowing blessings upon you. Your Father, God.